remind you to ensure that your mobiles inactivated to silent and vibrate mode. At this time, I ask that we all rise to welcome our chief guest. Our chief guest, ladies and gentlemen, His Lordship, Acting President of the Republic of Fiji, and the Chief Justice, Salesi Temo. Escorting him, the Chancellor of the Fiji National University, Mr. Semesa Karavaki, FNU Vice-Chancellor Professor Unaisi Nambombamba, PVC TVET Pacifica, and NTPC, Dr. Isimeli Tangidakiberata. Ladies and gentlemen, we warmly welcome our chief guest this evening. Please remain standing for the national anthem led by the National Youth Band.
Blessing grant, O God of nations, on the Isles of Fiji, as we stand united under noble banner blue, and we honor and defend the cause of freedom ever. Onward march together. God bless Fiji, for Fiji, ever Fiji. Let our voices ring with pride. For Fiji, ever Fiji. Her name hails far and wide, the land of freedom, hope and glory, to and do whatever be.
much. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Our chief guest, His Lordship, Acting President of the Republic of Fiji, and the Chief Justice, Salesi Temo, the Honourable Ministers present this evening, FNU Chancellor and also Vice Chancellor, and the heads of the FNU family, distinguished guests, heads of institutions, industry leaders, award nominees and sponsors and friends, Nissan Bulavinaka, and a very warm welcome to the 26th Fiji Business Excellence Awards, proudly presented by the Fiji National University and the National Training and Productivity Center. Please, can we give them a big round of applause? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Michelle Tevita Singh, and it is an absolute honor and pleasure to be here tonight as the Mistress of Ceremonies for this very prestigious evening at the Denarau Island Convention Center at Sheraton, and this very beautiful Saturday, the 8th of November. Our formalities begin, as we always have, with a prayer, and to lead us in this blessing, I invite the Methodist Church General Superintendent of the Nadi Division, Reverend Josefa Sewale.
Let us pray. Heavenly Father, we come before Thee and we lift our lives, O Lord, in Your name. You have set us the path that we ask for Your blessings on the 26th year of the Excellence Award here in Nadi. And we trust You with our lives and the program in Your name. Lead us, O Lord. Lord, You have given us the task in front of us, and no one can shut up the opportunities that You have given to each one of us in the gifts that You have blessed us. Bless this auspicious day with Your blessings, that we may be recognized in Your name. In Jesus' name we pray.
Nakavakalevu, Reverend Josefa Sewale, for leading us in fellowship tonight and blessing our ceremonies this evening as we celebrate the many, many achievements of various organizations and individuals who have contributed to the achievements tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to invite to the stage the Vice Chancellor of the Fiji National University, Professor Unaisi Nambombomba, who will deliver the welcome address and introduce our chief guest tonight. Ma'am, the stage is yours. Let's make her feel welcome with a big round of applause.
May I first begin by acknowledging the traditional owners and custodians of the land upon which we have gathered here today. I pay my utmost respects to their elders, past, present, and future. Chief guest, His Lordship, Acting President of the Republic of the Fiji Islands and Chief Justice of Fiji, the Honourable Salesi, Temo, and Mrs. Temo. Round of applause, please. Honourable Cabinet Ministers of our coalition government, Chancellor of the Fiji National University, Mr. Semesa Karavaki, Deputy Chancellor, Mrs. and Dr. Ndialisi Vundiniambola, members of Council, senior leadership team, Mr. Bob Mitchell-Kolitangane, Director of the Productivity and Innovation Center, members of the 2025 FBEA panel of reviewers. Please, let's give these good people a round of applause. Leaders, executives from the private sector and the public sector. Every year, it is always wonderful to see all of you. We take our hat off to you. Distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambula Vinaka, good evening. It is the greatest respect and gratitude that I, as Vice Chancellor, welcome you to the 2025 Fiji Business Excellence Awards Night. This evening, we're especially honored to be joined by our esteemed chief guest, His Lordship, the Chief Justice and Acting President of Fiji, Honourable Salesi Temo. Sir, your presence, it's a good thing we are looking at you in person, because we only see on the TV. Thank you for allowing me to go informal. Your presence here and your good wife lend us great significance to this occasion as we come together to celebrate excellence, innovation, and resilience within our business community. On behalf of the Fiji National University, the organizers of this event, I extend a very warm welcome to you and all our distinguished guests who've joined us this evening to recognize outstanding achievements that continue to shape Fiji's economic and social progress. Ladies and gentlemen, as you're aware, at the heart of these awards lies a deeper national purpose to enhance productivity and promote a culture of continuous improvement across all sectors of our economy. At the Fiji National Productivity Organization and the NTPC in FNU, we're very proud to be championing these Fiji Business Excellence Awards as a driver of our mission of development. These awards celebrate performance, but within a structured framework that encourages organizations to embed excellence in their systems, processes, and people. Our role is not limited at FNU to providing qualifications, it's also to shaping a skilled, future-ready workforce supporting systems that will enable performance. These awards, the Fiji Business Excellence Awards, exemplify the commitment by promoting innovation, strategic thinking, and sustainable growth, values that are vital to individual organizations, but also to advancing our Fiji in its broader development goals. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of you recipients tonight. We're excited to be cheering you on. Thank you. When excellence becomes an integral part of an organization's culture, slowly we build a future that exemplify the same. I take this opportunity to encourage more organizations across all sectors, sizes, to embark on this journey, whether it's business, government, civil society. The award has often offer a proven framework for enhancing performance and greater value to our communities and nation. The journey towards excellence is not just defined by a single event, however. It is a shared national vision. It demands persistence, partnership, and purpose. I'm sure all of you know that. I thank you for being part of this occasion, and I wish every organization presented here continued success in your ongoing pursuit of excellence. Once again, a sincere appreciation to our chief guest, Acting President of the Republic of Fiji, His Lordship, Chief Justice Temo, and your beautiful wife for gracing this evening with your presence, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure then to introduce to you our chief guest for the evening. His Excellency, the Acting President of the Republic of Fiji, His Lordship, Chief Justice Salesi Temo. Chief Justice Temo is a highly respected figure in Fiji's judiciary with over 30 years of distinguished service. He has had various roles, including resident magistrate, chief magistrate, high court judge, and now serves as Chief Justice. In accordance with Fiji's constitution, he is today serving as acting president. A graduate of Victoria University of Wellington and the University of Auckland. So that is also my alma mater. No wonder things are good. His Excellency brings to this role not only exceptional legal service and expertise, but also a deep commitment to justice, leadership, and public service. Values that align closely with the spirit of excellence that we will celebrate tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in warmly welcoming His Excellency, the Acting President of Fiji and Chief Justice, His Lordship, the Honourable Salesi Temo. Binakasakavakalevu, Dhanyavad, and thank you.
The Chancellor of the Fiji National University, Mr. Semesa Karavaki. The Vice Chancellor of the Fiji National University, Professor Unaisi Nambombo Bamba. Honourable Cabinet Ministers, members of the Fiji National University Council, members of the 2025 Fiji Business Excellence Team, FBEA evaluators, nominees for the Fiji Business Excellence Award, members of the media, and ladies and gentlemen. Nisam Bolovinaka, and a very good evening to you all. I thank the Vice Chancellor for the very warm welcome and generous introduction. My wife and I thank you for the gracious invitation for this special event. I would like to begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we gather today. I pay my respect to their chiefs, past and present, as well as the emerging leaders and members of the Vanua, and I acknowledge their role in caring for the Vanua. Distinguished guests, it is a privilege and honor to join you this evening as the Acting President of the Republic of Fiji at this celebration of enterprise, innovation, and excellence. This moment provides an opportunity for us to reflect on our collective vision for our beloved nation. A vision that is centered on progress, prosperity, and unity. As a nation, we must walk together in unity, ensuring that no one is left behind in our quest for economic growth, national security, prosperity, and sustainable development. The Fiji Business Excellence Award Night is a testament to the resilience, vision, and dedication of our nation's businesses, from small enterprises to large organizations, all of whom contribute meaningfully to our economic growth, strength, and social well-being. Tonight, we recognize not only success in business, but also a deeper commitment to quality, sustainability, and continuous improvement, values that are essential to Fiji's progress to an ever-evolving global landscape. This speaks to the heart of our national vision as we strive for growth that uplifts all Fijians, transformation that embraces both tradition and innovations, and progress that is sustainable environmentally, socially, and economically. Tonight's celebration is a demonstration of the spirit of resilience, innovation, and sustainable progress that is embodied by each and every one of our nominees and awardees. As Fiji charts its course towards sustainable development and inclusive growth, guided by the National Development Plan 2024 to 2029 and the Vision 2050 for a united and prosperous Fiji, our strategic direction is clear: to build a resilient, people-centered economy that harnesses innovation, nurtures talent, and ensures opportunities for all. The private sector, alongside government and civil society, plays a pivotal role in turning this vision into reality. It is within this context that the Fiji Business Excellence Awards hold great significance. This award, ladies and gentlemen, recognizes those who not only excelled in their fields, but also contribute to our broader national aspirations. Through innovation, ethical leadership, and commitment to sustainable practices, business helps create jobs, reduce inequalities, and drive solutions that uplift communities. As we celebrate those who lead today, we must also look towards the future, to the young entrepreneurs, small business owners, and emerging leaders who are shaping the next chapter of Fiji's economic story. The digital age presents both challenges and extraordinary opportunities. It is our responsibility as a nation to foster an environment where innovation is encouraged, risks are supported, and the next generation can thrive. We need only to look around us for inspirations. In Labasa, the Temo family transformed a difficult lockdown period into an opportunity, supplying frozen produce and vacuum-packed fish to supermarkets and building a thriving agribusiness, now preparing for international exports. On the island of Ovalau, Sauni Tonga Enterprises has turned ancestral land into a solar-powered cover farm, proudly exporting heritage cover to the world. Across Fiji, young people are embracing technology through initiatives such as High-Tech Youth, a regional movement empowering youth to blend creativity, culture, and digital skills. These are not just stories of success. They are stories of belief, resilience, and possibilities. This evening of celebration would not be complete without acknowledging the institutions that support and sustain our national journey towards excellence. I wish to commend the Fiji National University through its National Training and Productivity Center for its unwavering commitment to promoting productivity, innovations, and continuous improvement across Fiji. Their initiative, particularly the National 5S Certification Program, provide a vital foundation for organizations to embed discipline, efficiency, and a culture of quality in the workplace. A testament to this was seen in this year's National Quality and Innovation Conference, where the Fiji Pine Corporation Limited and Fiji Getaway Hotel were awarded their National 5S certificates, a clear signal that organizations across sectors are embracing the journey of structured improvement. The 5S program lays the groundwork. The Fiji Business Excellence Award represents the aspiration. Together, they form a powerful ecosystem of learning, growth, and national progress. I'm also pleased to note that this year, 5 government agencies are proudly participating in the Fiji Business Excellence Awards. Their involvement demonstrates the public sector's commitment to the principles of business excellence. I congratulate them on their initiative and encourage other government agencies to embrace this valuable opportunity to showcase their progress and contribute to raising national standards. It is often said that, quote, many hands make light work, unquote. And tonight, we see that spirit alive across both public and private sectors. The journey towards excellence is one we undertake together for the benefit of all Fijians. As we gather tonight to celebrate achievement and excellence, let us also renew our collective commitment to the future of our nation. This journey towards a prosperous and resilient Fiji depends on the strength of partnership between government and business, educators and innovators, communities and entrepreneurs. Each of us has a role to play in fostering a culture of integrity, creativity, and continuous improvement. It is through this shared responsibility that we build a Fiji that not only thrives economically, but also uplifts every citizen. Together, let us embrace the challenges ahead with optimism and determination, confident that by working hand in hand, our best days are yet to come. And now we turn our attention to the individuals and organizations whose achievements we honor tonight. Each of our award recipients had demonstrated a level of excellence that goes beyond profitability. They have shown leadership in innovations, quality, sustainability, and ethical business practices. Their success is a source of national pride and a benchmark for others to aspire to. Tonight, we remind us that excellence is not an act, but a habit, cultivated daily through discipline, vision, and service. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in a well-deserved round of applause for the 2025 Fiji Business Excellence Awards recipients. In closing, I extend my heartfelt congratulations once again to all of tonight's award recipients. Your dedication and achievements inspire us all to strive for greater heights. I also wish to thank the organizers, partners, sponsors, and every individual who has contributed to making this event a success. Your collective efforts strengthens the foundation upon which our nation's prosperity is built. As Fiji continues to navigate an ever-changing global landscape, may we remain steadfast in our pursuit of excellence. Let us continue to support one another, nurture our talents, and celebrate the spirit of entrepreneurship that drives our country forward. Together, we can build a future that is not only prosperous, but also inclusive and sustainable. In closing, I congratulate all the nominees and award recipients. May your stories continue to light the path forward for those who want their business and organization to strengthen their system and processes, improve performance, and create value for stakeholders. On behalf of the government of Fiji, I wish the Fiji Business Excellence Awards Night every success. May God bless Fiji and her people, Vinaka Vakalevu, and thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, another big round of applause for His Excellency's very profound and motivating words this evening, words of passion, and very inspiring as well. Ladies and gentlemen, in a moment we will have the cake cutting ceremony, and I will invite our honored guests back on stage. We'll put this anniversary cake up on stage for this very beautiful symbolic moment of our gathering here to celebrate the many, many achievements and commitment and hard work that has gone to building excellence within an organization, but also as a nation as well. For the cake cutting ceremony, I kindly request if the Vice Chancellor and also the Chancellor of the Fiji National University, and I also kindly request Dr. Isimeli Tangidaki-Verata to please escort our chief guests back onto the stage for the ceremonial cake cutting. I also invite our members and friends from the media and the photographers to come to the front of the stage to capture this very, very, not only symbolic, but historic moment. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Please, let's continue with a big applause as we celebrate the 26th anniversary of Fiji Business Excellence Awards. We thank our chief guests and our dignitaries on stage for doing this great honor for us this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we're very, very fortunate to be able to celebrate this historic moment. Such a beautiful cake. We can't promise that you'll all get a piece. However, we know that you celebrate with us as you enjoy the desserts and the dinner, the buffet stations that we have tonight for you, ladies and gentlemen. Coming up, we still have the recognition for our evaluators for their service, their commitment for 5 years and 10 years, and our first award that will be presented tonight, which is the Green Sustainability Award. That's coming up in just a moment. But now, I direct your attention to the screens as we present very special Fiji Business Excellence Awards video highlighting the journey and the impact of these awards.
In a world of excellence, there stands a beacon of achievement, the Fiji Business Excellence Awards. Like building blocks, FBEA symbolizes relentless evolution and unwavering dedication. Each passing year witnessed growth, adaptation, and redefinition of excellence standards. Join us as we unveil the chapters of our remarkable evolution, guided by the unwavering commitment to excellence that has defined us for 26 years. In 1995, visionaries gathered for the inaugural roundtable discussions, laying the foundation and forever altering Fiji's business landscape. Under the patronage of the late President Ratu Sir Kamisesemara, the Fiji Quality Awards was launched in 1998, driving a culture of excellence across industries. This visionary initiative paved the way for successive presidents to champion the cause, each leaving a lasting impression on Fiji's journey towards creating world-class organizations. The late Ratu Josefa Iloilo. Brigadier General retired Ratu Epeli Nailati Kau. Major General retired Chochi Kunrote. Ratu Williame Maivalili Katunivere, and His Excellency Ratu Naingama Lalumbalavu. As Fiji's economy flourished, propelling business towards new heights of success and innovation, the Fiji Business Excellence Awards have evolved and undergone several transformations. In 2004, this evolution culminated in the transformational rebranding to the Fiji Business Excellence Awards, a pivotal moment that not only expanded the scope of recognition but also underscored our commitment to fostering excellence across diverse sectors. The revision and signing of the Productivity Charter in 2005 formalized the commitment to excellence, setting the stage for decades of growth and achievement. This strategic update not only reflected our proactive approach to embracing change, but also reinforced our mission to empower organizations with the tools and principles necessary to thrive in an ever-evolving landscape of business excellence. The Fiji Business Excellence Awards framework, introduced in 2012 and modeled after the US Malcolm Baldrige framework, has been an important benchmark for business excellence in Fiji. Rooted in the principles of leadership, strategy, customers, measurement, analysis, knowledge management, workforce, operations and results, the Fiji Business Excellence Framework provides a holistic approach that transcends industry boundaries and empowers organizations to achieve sustained performance excellence. Business excellence is about strengthening the management systems and processes of an organization in a holistic and integrated manner to improve performance and create value for stakeholders. The gold color of the FBEA logo symbolizes success, prosperity, and quality. It reflects elegance and value, and as a deeper level represents wisdom and higher ideals. 2018 saw the transition to the new logo of a circle around the building blocks of excellence to portray a positive emotional message of harmony, commitment, and community. In 2021, the Secretariat implemented a hybrid virtual evaluation, a first for the region. Since its inception, the Fiji Business Excellence Awards has consistently grown and improved. Over the past 25 years, it has conferred a total of 320 award recognitions to 140 organizations. These organizations have found immense value in participating in the awards process, often continuing to use the awards framework for self-assessment and recognition. As the number of applicants has grown, so has the need for evaluators. The Secretariat ensures that these evaluators are well-trained and up-to-date with the evolving requirements of the evaluation process. To date, a total of 522 evaluators have been trained and certified. The impact of these awards extends beyond recognition. They have played a significant role in boosting Fiji's economy and contributing to the national GDP by assisting many organizations. At the Fiji Business Excellence Awards, the president-level winners exemplify the pinnacle of excellence, serving as inspirations and trailblazers in their respective industries. To date, this prestigious honor has been bestowed upon only 13 so far, from both private and public sectors. These esteemed recipients include Vodafone Fiji Limited, Air Terminal Services Limited, DHL Express Fiji, Fiji Electricity Authority, Fiji Ports Corporation Limited, Fijian Competition and Consumer Commission, Future Farms Limited, trading as Rooster Poultry, Itauke Land Trust Board, Jack's Retail Limited, Sheraton Hotels and Resorts, Unit Trust of Fiji, Daytech Fiji Pte Limited, and Mark 1 Apparel Fiji Limited. The Fiji Business Excellence Awards program has assisted businesses and other organizations to improve their performance and long-term success in part through their Fiji Business Excellence Awards. the reinvigorated FBEA will recognize role model manufacturers, small businesses, and organizations that demonstrate success in sustainability and that want to share their best practices to enable other organizations and their communities to become more resilient. The Fiji Business Excellence Awards continue to be the nation's most prestigious awards. As we mark 26 years of excellence, we eagerly anticipate the road ahead, fueled by our steadfast dedication to excellence. Looking beyond our milestone, we are committed to continuing this journey, charting a new direction for FBEA for the next 25 years and beyond.
Ladies and gentlemen, please a big round of applause, not only to the institution that leads it, but to the many organizations and individuals who lead this work within the organizations. Congratulations to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up, we recognize the evaluators of 5 years of service, hard work, dedication, and commitment, and also those who have served 10 years as well tonight. But we'll begin with the Green Sustainability Award. All these three categories, I kindly invite our chief guest to please come forward onto the stage to do the honors of presenting these awards tonight. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Let's make him feel welcome again, ladies and gentlemen. A huge task for our chief guest this evening to present the many awards tonight as we celebrate the hard work of the various organizations. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Ladies and gentlemen, the FBEA Green Sustainability Award. Please put your hands together for an organization needs no introduction. Their hard work and commitment exemplifies this very award. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's congratulate Fiji Ports Terminal Limited, the recipient of the FBEA Green Sustainability Award. Thank you very much to the team from Fiji Ports Terminal Limited. We invite you to please come forward to receive this award. Please stand up on stage for a few minutes, ladies and gentlemen, for those who will be coming up to receive awards tonight, so our photographers and our friends from the media can capture this very special moment. Another big round of applause. Congratulations. Fiji Ports Terminal Limited, FBEA Green Sustainability Award. Your efforts in sustainability are truly commendable. Congratulations. Let's give them another big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We look forward to the many more organizations who will be recognized at this very category next year. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to our next awards, and it's recognition for 5 years. Our awards program wouldn't be possible without the dedication of our evaluators. Tonight, we honor those who have served for 5 years. Your Excellency, we acknowledge the commitment of the evaluators for their 5 years of service. Congratulations, Sumit Prasad. Congratulations, Sumit. Very special moment. We look forward to your commitment to it, being the evaluator in many more years ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Sumit. Our next evaluator to be recognized for the 5 years of service, Rahul Narayan. Congratulations, Mr. Narayan. Our third evaluator tonight, being recognized for 5 years, Prinesh Prasad. Congratulations, Prinesh Prasad. 5 years as an evaluator and many more years ahead of us. And ladies and gentlemen, our fourth evaluator, who unfortunately isn't able to join us tonight, but we congratulate her and recognize her service nonetheless. Can we please give a big round of applause to Akisi Vungakoto. A heartfelt congratulations to our 5-year evaluators for your invaluable contributions. We continue to recognize now the dedication for those who served 10 years to evaluating excellence. Our first evaluator served 10 years. Congratulations, Rohit Prabhakar Chetty. Congratulations, Mr. Chetty. Thank you very much, Mr. Chetty. Our next recipient, recognizing 10 years of service as an evaluator, congratulations, Sanjay Sharma. Thank you very much, Mr. Sharma. And our third and final recipient for 10 years recognition tonight, Avita Singh. Congratulations, Avita Singh. 10 years of service as an evaluator. Another big round of applause. We congratulate our 10-year evaluators. Your long-term commitment inspires us all. We also thank His Excellency. Thank you very much for presenting the first 3 categories of awards tonight. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, we're already underway. The first award gone out, the recognition already to the evaluators. Let's give everyone a big round of applause, please. And making very good with time, our dinner service is ready to begin. I kindly request our guests who are seated, the first 3 tables, to please remain seated. You'll be served at your tables. And also to all our other guests, please, we have the banquet team here at the Sheraton who will be escorting you to the buffet station. And please, we ask that you take guidance from them. Our bar service will resume very, very shortly. Time to indulge in a delightful dinner that's been prepared by the